Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 251, Filtering on Lists. Lists in Power Pages offer a couple of out-of-the-box ways to enable filtering. The simplest one is the search functionality. This can be enabled on the More Options page in the List Settings modal in the Power Pages Design Studio. You can even control the placeholder text that appears if no text has been entered in the search box. This will perform a basic keyword search on the columns you have in your list. However, if you want something more targeted, you can use filters. Filters allow you to query based on a single column. Once you add at least one filter via the Power Pages Design Studio, you can choose whether you want the filters to appear above your list or to the left of your list. You can also control the text for the Apply button. There are quite a few different types of filters, which we'll cover in upcoming tips. The simplest one is text, which allows you to filter based on a keyword in one particular column. Other options include checkboxes, drop-downs, radio buttons, and custom filtering using Fetch XML. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 251 on filtering on lists useful.